In a manufacturing unit, it was noted that price of raw material has increased by 25% and the labor cost has gone up from 30% of the cost of raw material to 38% of the cost of raw material. What percentage of the consumption of raw material be reduced to keep the cost same as that before the increase? Here, initial cost of raw material, consider it as 100 rupees. Now, raw material cost increased to 25%. So 25% increment in raw material cost means final cost is 100 plus 25, 125 rupees. Now labor cost. Initial labor cost was 30% of the cost of raw material. So initial cost of raw material was 100 rupees. Now 30% of 100 rupees is the initial labor cost, which is equal to 30 rupees. Now it is increased to 38% of the cost of raw material. Now final cost of raw material is 125. So 38% of 125 is the final labor cost. Now 10% of 125 is 12.5. Then 20% is 12.5 into 2, 25. Then 40% is 25 into 2, 50. This is 40%. Now subtract 2%. Here 1% is 1.25. Then 2% is 2.5. So 50 minus 2.5 is equal to 47.5. So here total cost. Now total cost is equal to raw material cost plus labor cost. And initial total cost is equal to 100 plus 30, 130. And final labor cost is equal to 125 plus 47.5. 125 plus 40 is 165. And 165 plus 7.5 is 172.5. Now here you can see increment is from initial total cost to final total cost. Increment is equal to, increment in total cost is equal to 42.5. Now here question clearly says that we have to keep the cost same as that before the increase. Before the increase cost was 130 rupees. So we need to keep this 130 rupees. In order to keep this 130 rupees, we have to subtract 42.5 from this final cost 172.5. So here percentage reduction of the consumption of raw material is same as percentage reduction in the total consumption. Because here raw material cost influences the total cost. That is, total cost is based on this raw material cost. So percentage reduction in the consumption of raw material is same as the percentage reduction of total cost. Here we should reduce 42.5 from 172.5. So percentage reduction is equal to 42.5 out of 172.5 into 100, which is equal to 25 goes 4 times in 100. So 4 into 4 is 16. 25 goes 17 times in 425. Same way here 25 goes 6 times in 150, remaining 225. So 25 goes 9 times in 225. Now 17 goes 4 times in 68, remaining 1. So 17 goes 0 times in 1, 17 goes 5 times in 100. Now 100 by 4.05 is around 25 and less than 25. So here your answer is nearly 25. Nearly 25 and less than 25 is equal to option 3. That is 24.6% is the percentage reduction in consumption of raw material. That is, we should reduce 24.6% of raw material consumption. Then we can maintain the total cost as 130 rupees.